Hey everyone! Welcome back to ItInsider. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Windows 11 and create a bootable USB drive using Rufus. Let's get started. First, we need to download the Windows 11 ISO file. Head over to the Microsoft Download Center. You can find the link in the description below. On the website, scroll down to Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO. Choose your edition from the drop-down menu and click Download. Next, select your preferred language and confirm. Finally, download the 64-bit version. Make sure to save it in a location you'll remember. Now, let's download Rufus. Head over to the Rufus official website, link also in the description. Download the latest version and open the file to install it. It's a quick process, so let's move on to creating our bootable USB. Insert a USB drive into your computer. Remember, this process will erase all data on the drive, so make sure you've backed up any important files. Open Rufus, and in the Device drop-down menu, select your USB drive. Click Select next to the Boot selection, and choose the Windows 11 ISO file you just downloaded. For partition scheme, choose GPT if you're installing on a UEFI system or MBR for older BIOS systems. Ensure the file system is set to NTFS. Now, click Start. Rufus will warn you that all data will be erased. Click OK to proceed. This process may take a few minutes. Once it's done, click Close and safely eject your USB drive. And that's it. You've successfully created a bootable USB drive for Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to ItInsider for more tech tutorials and tips. Also, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos.